Hello guys and welcome to Technical Ground, and today I'm going to show you that how could you change your channel name without waiting for 90 days. The first step, you have to go to your channel. You have to click on customize channel. You have to edit anything like this. Press that, click on this. Like I have to add I in my channel name. I'm gonna do that. Okay, it will ask you that changed too recently. That means you cannot change your channel name before 90 days. So the only step that you could change your channel name is you have to go to Google Plus ID. If you're in your Google Plus ID, go to settings. You have to delete your account. It will ask for your password. I'm going to just type my password. You have to do next. Next you have to check this box. You have to click on delete. So it is redirecting it. You have to click on other, type whatever you want like that, and submit. It will ask you for that, and you have to click on here Google Plus account, and you're here. It will ask continue. So go to your email. You have to click on join Google Plus. You could change your name right here. Like I have to add I understand the changes. You have to do that. Create profile. Save that. And that's all about it, guys. You have to just refresh the page. It's done. It's done, ladies and gentlemen, and you have to just refresh the page. You can see the name is changed. If you like the video, please subscribe and leave a like, and if you want question or anything, you could ask in my comments section.